Hello everyone, I just wanted to show you a quick temporary fix for those of you who do not like the click sound that the Touchmaster usually comes with. So as you can hear, there now is no clicking when the warning lights or the bypass is activated. And to do that, it's rather simple, but I'm just going to call it a temporary fix. You need to take this little part here and peel it off from its stand, which is normally in here, which is how the magnets click back and forth. So on a fully operational one, like this one here, you'll see there's a little spring. Now all you need to do is take a small screwdriver, like so, and peel that spring off. I'm not going to do it on this one, but you just need to lift that spring off, peel that spring off. And then this wire, this copper wire right here, just carefully just peel it back and over this little lip. There's a little lip right here. Just peel it over that lip. And once you do that, this whole assembly, as you can see here, is just one big assembly. Just peel that assembly off and stick it somewhere where it won't get in the way of other things. Now you can wrap it in electrical tape if you wanted to make it a more permanent solution, but for right now or for demonstration videos, I'm just going to stick with this like so. So that is a quick temporary fix on how to get rid of your clicking sound while the siren is activated. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back later with another video.